Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on the Nokia 5. If your screen is flickering, the first step you could try taking would be to change the screen's brightness. Simply scroll down from the top and try changing your brightness here. If changing your brightness does not fix the issue, you could try going into Settings, Display, in Adaptive Brightness. Turning off adaptive brightness might possibly save you from the problem, but however, if it does not save it, you may want to try turning off sunlight mode, since it could also be the source of your issues. Now, if this still doesn't work, try looking into system updates. You can do so in System, Advanced, scrolling down, and System Update. If your system, however, is up to date, the next best step to take would be to try and reboot into safe mode. To do so, press and hold the power button, then press and hold on the power off option, then click OK to reboot into safe mode. Once you've rebooted into safe mode, you will see you are in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom left corner. If the issue persists even in safe mode, however, you may want to try maybe going into settings again. Display, Advanced, and Sleep. Changing the value might possibly help you. If it, however, does not help you, you may want to try and tap on Night Light. Try turning it on and then off again. Possibly turn off so it does not automatically turn on, because it could also be the issue of this problem. In the end, if none of these things end up helping your problem, you may need to give your phone up to service. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.